We started, let me introduce once again Art Kubla from Macerich.
Thank you, Jason. Wow, that was pretty cool, wasn't it? Not only is this going to be the shopping center of the decade and of the whole U.S., I have a pretty good feeling that, as represented by those dancers, this is going to be the coolest and hippest place to be in L.A. and Southern California. There's zero question that between this and the Promenade, this is the place to be. Because Macerich loves Santa Monica, this is our home. We have hundreds of our employees scattered around the decks here right now this morning to celebrate this once-in-a-lifetime and generation occasion. So please let me let you know that from the bottom of our hearts and from my heart that we are so grateful to be a part of our community and this community and to be able to deliver this project to you. And so now, with that, we hope you all have a ball today.
Ah!